explore and evaluate the impact of work from home on family relationships. So here there are two keywords, explore. So first we'll talk about what work from home is. Like we have to define something about work from home. And whenever there is a question about evaluate, you will tell its positives, you will tell its negatives. So हमारा ये क्वेश्चन स्ट्रक्चर डिफाइन हो गया, बहुत इजी है, 10 मार्कर है, हमने 3 पार्ट्स ऑलरेडी डिवाइड कर लिए हैं, एंडिंग में हमारा एक वे फॉरवर्ड टाइप का आएगा ही, तो हम सेट है कि अब we'll be able to write quickly. This saves your time also because as soon as you divide the structure you will be able to understand कि ये point मेरा इस structure में इसके नीचे जाएगा. If there is a fact probably वो introduction में जाएगा ना कि positives में. But अगर कोई family से related बात है because they have asked you about family relationships, so you will mention it here, positive and negative में. So let's look through. Explore and evaluate. तो अब सबसे पहले what I am going to do is I am going to start by an introduction. मेरा introduction probably would have been around a fact because work from home बहुत use में था COVID के बाद and I was expecting a question on this. So I think there was some news report which had said that 82% of people in a survey have preferred work from home and according to XYZ report. So I would have said this as my introduction and then because the explore wala part hum karte, heading explore nahi hoti, but I would have just mentioned work from home and I would have said what work from home means. So work from home means you would have given a basic definition, not a technical or a complex definition, but something like work from home means the working space and your job location is different and you do not need to visit the office space. इस टाइप का कुछ एक basic definition देके explore में आप ये भी कर सकते हो कि you can write about how the concept of workation, we have been hearing this, so this is also coming. तो वर्क फ्रॉम होम को आप और आगे ले जाके ये भी मेंशन कर सकते हो बिकॉज इट्स अबाउट एक्सप्लोरेशन. वर्क फ्रॉम होम का आपने बेसिक डेफिनेशन दिया, यू विल मेंशन अबाउट वर्केशन, यू विल मेंशन अबाउट हाउ विमेन हैव बीन, अगर कोई ऐसा फैक्ट या फिगर आपके पास है जिसमें ये है कि विमेन हैव बीन ऑप्टिंग मोर फॉर वर्क फ्रॉम होम और समथिंग लाइक दिस, यू कैन मेंशन दैट. सो विमेन का पर्सपेक्टिव ला सकते हो. बाकी आप कोविड का डेफिनेटली मेंशन करोगे यहाँ पर. कोविड-19 had led to forced work from home, right? So forced work from home हुआ because अभी voluntary नहीं है. So COVID-19 के बाद एक involuntariness आ गया था. But majorly अभी भी work from home एक voluntary structure follow करता है. तो आप ये mention कर सकते हो कि वो voluntary है majorly. फिर उसके बाद जब हमने एक्सप्लोर कर लिया है, now we will go on evaluation. So we will mention what are the positives first. I would suggest always mention the positives first rather than mentioning the negatives because then that's a flow. You will tell positives, you will tell negatives and then you will tell a way forward based on those negatives. So आपके positives होंगे. अब आप positives को being from a non-sociological background आप 4-5 तरीके से सोच सकते हो. Like what could be the dimensions? जब भी हम फैमिली रिलेशनशिप की बात कर रहे हैं, we talk about children, we will talk about education, we can talk about marriage, adults. Here we will talk about husband-wife relationship, we can talk about elderly, you could mention about फैमिली रिलेशनशिप है तो स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फैमिली क्या है उस पर भी बात आती है, स्ट्रक्चर. सो हियर अब हमें कितना इजी हो गया पॉजिटिव्स बनाना. हम पॉजिटिव्स क्या बना सकते हैं, अगर चिल्ड्रन के लिए अगर माँ बाप घर पे रह रहे हैं तो इट इज बेटर सोशलाइजेशन. ठीक है, एजुकेशन अपॉर्चुनिटीज, होम स्कूलिंग बढ़ रही है, you could mention this feature. or you could just write down ki parents are able to focus more on their child's education now. They're able, home tuitions बढ़ रहे हैं, like or you could just write that decrease in tuitions because parents are now teaching their children. So this is just your interpretation. Don't think that that it needs to be a fact. But if you feel you have seen this change, you can write it here. Marriage कैसे change हो रही है कि they are getting quality time together. फैमिली को क्वालिटी टाइम मिल रहा है, तो इसकी वजह से पीस बढ़ रहा है फैमिली में, या यूनिटी बढ़ रही है, इस टाइप का कह सकते हैं. एल्डरली की बेटर केयर हो पा रही है, ठीक है. एंड स्ट्रक्चर कैसे हो रहा है, आप बोल सकते हो कि क्योंकि आप वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हो, तो जो मैरिड कपल्स माइग्रेट करते थे वर्क के लिए, दैट इज नॉट हैपनिंग. सो यू कैन प्रॉब्ली राइट दैट जॉइंट फैमिली स्ट्रक्चर्स, joint family because decrease in migration for work. So this becomes like your positive thing, and then you will move towards negatives. आप similar dimension में भी उसको divide कर सकते हो, or else very clear negatives कि क्या क्या हो रहा है. Now people coming from sociology will mention the word alienation here or anomy here. There is no harm in mentioning. Alienation is a very common alienation, or stress or strained relationships, because the question was about family relationships. So you have to mention how the equation is it. Strained relationships because personal versus professional boundaries have been blurred boundaries. What else you could write? You could write increase in diseases because of sedentary lifestyle. Because आप कोई movement नहीं है, office going नहीं हो आप, तो probably आपकी lifestyle जो है sedentary हो रही है. Now here you will bring a women perspective also. Women, हमने कोविड के टाइम सुना था कैसे शैडो पैंडेमिक आ रही है. Why was that? Because the males were no more going out for work and they were staying at home. So the time that a woman used to get with herself or her friends, to be able to socialize or to be able to communicate her stress was gone. Now she was bound in a home with people, with men who were not going out of their homes. So probably you will write a very big negative here, and this could be like your second or third point in fact, that women increased care work, because now care work. Or you could write here one more point, that patriarchal institutions leading to less outward migration. So these are the negatives you could mention. If there are 4-5 other negatives, you can mention them also. And after this negative and positive, you will give a conclusion or like a way forward, that conclusion would be that work from home should be voluntary, and it should be probably balanced. So in this sedentary lifestyle wala thing, you can also mention how internet and online work is harming, is creating diseases from your eyes or your back. So you can mention all these little things also there in examples here, and this will be like your ending.